And welcome to another video today. So in today's video we will be seeing the picture-in-picture mode in Power Automate. So it is recently launched feature wherein we can run our automations, especially attended automation, in a picture-in-picture mode. First of all, what is a PIP mode? So basically it allows a user to run attended desktop flow within a virtual window that replicates your desktop. Basically, now if I run my automation in PIP mode or picture-in-picture mode, it will be running in a virtual window instead of my real desktop, right? Imagine having a small separate window on your screen where automation tasks runs independently while we continue working on other tasks. For example, I want to extract or I want to run an automation which extracts some reconciliation or do some work at the back end, or extract the stock prices while I work on another process. So why is it now useful? Basically it increases multitasking, right? Picture in picture mode enhance multitasking by letting us monitor automation flows without interrupting the primary flow, right? Also we can keep our eye, right? It is a productivity booster for me, and it increases the efficiency also. So I have seen in many earlier automation, in attended automation, that customer, while running the automation in attended mode, it accidentally clicks somewhere or minimizes the window, which results in failure of the automation. But with the picture in picture mode, that scenario becomes zero. So failing due to accidentally click will not happen with this mode, right? So this is basically for attended automation, although it is also available in the cloud flow. Let's see how it works. So let's get started. I have created a small flow for this, in which I will be launching edge, writing something into the Google search bar and click enter, right? So let's see how can we enable it and how can we run this into picture in picture mode. Let's see a quick demo, right? So I have just created a flow wherein I have displayed a message, launch the Microsoft Edge, right? You can use any application that you want, populate a text field and then clicking enter. Now how you enable this in your Power Automate is you go in debug. Now here you see the option of disable and enable it. You enable this picture in picture mode. Now your picture in picture mode is enabled. Now if you click run, your automation will run in picture in picture mode, right? So if you see here, your window is open and it is currently connecting to picture in picture mode. So it is currently logging into my desktop. This is the virtual window of Power Automate in picture mode, PIP mode, right? It is logged in and currently it is preparing to run in this mode. And now it is started to run, and if you see, my display message box is being opened and I can click. I can also perform clicks action on this, and now it is on launch new Microsoft Edge action and the Edge is launched. Now it will type in the text field. See, it typed and it has sent enter. See, now this is completed, and I can also, under this PIP window, I can click anywhere I like, right? And in order to avoid the accidentally click functionality, we can utilize this view only mode, where if I enable this view only mode, now you see I will not be able to click anywhere, right? And if I disable it, now I will able to click anywhere on this screen, right? And there is one more option always on top. Using that action, if I click on this Edge or Chrome or any other application, it will always be on the top so that you can monitor this one, right? So this is how you can run it in the debug mode. Let me just close this one and let's just run it into the attended mode, right? So let me just close this one, go here. Now how can we enable it in the attended session? You can just go to properties and enable this from here, or you can run it from here also. So now currently it is showing as preparing. It is logging into the virtual desktop in PIP mode. Right now it is running. I click OK, and if you see, there is a window of flow running, and this window is on my real desktop, and the edge is launched into the virtual desktop. See, it clicked and status is not running. That means it is completed. Right, so there are many advantages of this picture and picture mode. Before going to advantages, I just want to highlight one more thing here, that some users are facing issue that their Edge or Chrome, they are not able to launch it. So in order to resolve this issue, what you have to do is, by default in the PIP mode, the extensions are installed but they are not enabled. Right, so you go to manage extensions, and you just have to, from here you just have to turn on this extension. After doing this, it is, if your Chrome or Edge is not working, it will now work. So this is all about the PIP mode, and it is very useful. It helps us to keep multitasking. It boosts the productivity and it enhances the efficiency. I will recommend this to try it on your own, although it is also available in the cloud flow. You can just choose any desktop flow and run it into the, or default is desktop run, or you can also choose to run it in the PIP mode. I will recommend you to explore this feature. Right, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching Happy Automation. Bye.